Now I'm getting ready to stain this right down here. But you know what? Laura wants to talk some more. She's going to tell me a little bit more about this cream. Okay, go ahead. She always wants to tell me when I'm off camera, and I say, what's up with that? Why don't you just tell me when I've got the camera rolling? Okay, go ahead.
Well, this milk comes from Jersey cows, which some of them are A2, which means that the milk is smaller molecule. Most of them are A1.
Mm-hmm.
So the smaller molecule means your body can absorb it better for children or for older people, or for those who just want to make sure you get the most out of your milk.
Yeah.
Why drink it if you're not going to benefit from it? Anyway, so this is the really good stuff. He's had the cows tested through their DNA, through a hair from their tail.
You just pull out a little hair and he can test it, whether or not it's A1.
To make sure it's A1 or A2.
Uh-huh.
And he sells it for $1 more a gallon. So this is $6 a gallon for fresh raw milk.
$6 a gallon for fresh raw milk. What about the fresh raw cream? Does that has to come from A2 as well, right?
Yes, and this is $9 a quart.
$9 a quart for some fresh cream, but this, hey, you're the organic chick, I understand, and that is just the type of stuff you do. So you drive out of your way to get the stuff fresh from the dairy, and you if you don't know the guy, you don't buy from the guy, right?
Exactly. If I haven't met the cows, I don't want it. Basically.
Okay. All right, is there anything else you would like to say before I get back to work? Because you know, I've got to get all this stuff done tomorrow. You keep wanting to tell me different things.
I have to talk about it.
Okay, well, next time you want to talk about it, let's make sure this floor gets sealed. I'm sealing this floor tomorrow, and we're going to have to get ourselves a game plan as to how we're going to do this. And then I think we're going to go straight out the door, and then we have to wait like I don't know, 5 or 6 hours before we can just tiptoe on this to get the sealer dry. So tomorrow we get to go on a little excursion, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'm not quite sure where we're going, and that doesn't really matter. I don't care where we're going as long as it's not here. I've been stockpiling all my work here. I'm getting housebound from on my hands and knees trying to clean all this junk up. Hey, what are you drinking, by the way?
Nettle infusion.
Nettle, stinging
nettle infusion.
Stinging nettle infusion. And you made that, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Wow. You know what? You need to get your own YouTube channel up and going. We're going to have to get you a video camera.
I'm doing that, Joe.
Okay.
I'm going to do that.
Okay, because then you're going to bring all this kind of stuff to your viewers. How to make that, what that nettle is good for. You have that every morning, don't you? Or,
yes, I do.
I mean, it's not morning now. It's mid-afternoon, early afternoon, and you're having this stinging nettle. It doesn't, I don't really like the taste. She tried to get me to taste it, and you know, I drink it once in a while. I humor her. You know, she wants me to do stuff. Okay, whatever.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now get back to work.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, bro.